Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present perfect. With yet. It is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Have you yet? Yet. Already. Yet it is located at the end. Structure. Have has. Plus. Subject. Plus. Past participle. Plus. Complement. Plus. Yet. Plus. Closing question mark. Examples. Have you finished your homework yet?
Have you finished your homework yet?
Have they arrived yet?
Have they arrived yet?
Has she called you yet?
Has she called you yet?
Have we seen that movie yet?
Have we seen that movie yet?
Have you eaten lunch yet?
Have you eaten lunch yet?
Has he completed the project yet?
Has he completed the project yet?
Have you tried the new restaurant yet?
Have you tried the new restaurant yet?
Have they released the new album yet?
Have they released the new album yet?
Has it stopped raining yet?
Has it stopped raining yet?
Have you received your package yet?
Have you received your package yet?
Have we decided on a date yet?
Have we decided on a date yet?
Has she learned to drive yet?
Has she learned to drive yet?
Have you cleaned your room yet?
Have you cleaned your room yet?
Have they done their chores yet?
Have they done their chores yet?
Have you written that report yet?
Have you written that report yet?
Has he bought the tickets yet?
Has he bought the tickets yet?
Have we finished the game yet?
Have we finished the game yet?
Have you met his parents yet?
Have you met his parents yet?
Has she started studying yet?
Has she started studying yet?
Have they made a decision yet?
Have they made a decision yet?
Have you seen the results yet?
Have you seen the results yet?
Has it been a good year yet?
Has it been a good year yet?
Have we booked the hotel yet?
Have we booked the hotel yet?
Have you checked your email yet?
Have you checked your email yet?
Has she finished reading her book yet?
Has she finished reading her book yet?
Have they found a solution yet?
Have they found a solution yet?
Have you updated your profile yet?
Have you updated your profile yet?
Has he fixed the car yet?
Has he fixed the car yet?
Have we talked to the manager yet?
Have we talked to the manager yet?
Have you heard the news yet?
Have you heard the news yet?
Has she cleaned the kitchen yet?
Has she cleaned the kitchen yet?
Have they finished their exams yet?
Have they finished their exams yet?
Have you bought groceries yet?
Have you bought groceries yet?
Has he submitted his application yet?
Has he submitted his application yet?
Have we arranged a meeting yet?
Have we arranged a meeting yet?
Have you paid the bill yet?
Have you paid the bill yet?
Has she answered the question yet?
Has she answered the question yet?
Have they fixed the problem yet?
Have they fixed the problem yet?
Have you learned the song yet?
Have you learned the song yet?
Has he prepared dinner yet?
Has he prepared dinner yet?
Have we bought the gifts yet?
Have we bought the gifts yet?
Have you made any plans yet?
Have you made any plans yet?
Has she visited you yet?
Has she visited you yet?
Have they started the meeting yet?
Have they started the meeting yet?
Have you finished your book yet?
Have you finished your book yet?
Has it been delivered yet?
Has it been delivered yet?
Have we discussed our options yet?
Have we discussed our options yet?
Have you cleaned your desk yet?
Have you cleaned your desk yet?
Has he called in sick yet?
Has he called in sick yet?
Have they subscribed to the newsletter yet?
Have they subscribed to the newsletter yet?
Have you taken the trash out yet?
Have you taken the trash out yet?
Has she gone shopping yet?
Has she gone shopping yet?
Have they finished their dinner yet?
Have they finished their dinner yet?
Have you listened to that podcast yet?
Have you listened to that podcast yet?
Has he started his new job yet?
Has he started his new job yet?
Have we reached our destination yet?
Have we reached our destination yet?
Have you watched the documentary yet?
Have you watched the documentary yet?
Has she shared the link yet?
Has she shared the link yet?
Have they planned their vacation yet?
Have they planned their vacation yet?
Have you finished your assignment yet?
Have you finished your assignment yet?
Has it been approved yet?
Has it been approved yet?
Have we organized the event yet?
Have we organized the event yet?
Have you tried meditating yet?
Have you tried meditating yet?
Has he learned how to cook yet?
Has he learned how to cook yet?
Have they practiced their presentation yet?
Have they practiced their presentation yet?
Have you set a date for the meeting yet?
Have you set a date for the meeting yet?
Has she seen the doctor yet?
Has she seen the doctor yet?
Have they started their own business yet?
Have they started their own business yet?
Have you opened an account yet?
Have you opened an account yet?
Has he posted the updates yet?
Has he posted the updates yet?
Have we cast our votes yet?
Have we cast our votes yet?
Have you checked the weather yet?
Have you checked the weather yet?
Has she finished the artwork yet?
Has she finished the artwork yet?
Have they resolved the issue yet?
Have they resolved the issue yet?
Have you composed any music yet?
Have you composed any music yet?
Has he completed his workout yet?
Has he completed his workout yet?
Have we evaluated the proposals yet?
Have we evaluated the proposals yet?
Have you checked the inventory yet?
Have you checked the inventory yet?
Has she completed the training yet?
Has she completed the training yet?
Have they confirmed the reservation yet?
Have they confirmed the reservation yet?
Have you visited that museum yet?
Have you visited that museum yet?
Has he returned from his trip yet?
Has he returned from his trip yet?
Have we finished painting the house yet?
Have we finished painting the house yet?
Have you made your decision yet?
Have you made your decision yet?
Has she picked up the dry cleaning yet?
Has she picked up the dry cleaning yet?
Have they posted the job listing yet?
Have they posted the job listing yet?
Have you completed the course yet?
Have you completed the course yet?
Has he completed his thesis yet?
Has he completed his thesis yet?
Have we finalized the contract yet?
Have we finalized the contract yet?
Have you organized your files yet?
Have you organized your files yet?
Has she launched her website yet?
Has she launched her website yet?
Have they attended the conference yet?
Have they attended the conference yet?
Have you checked your finances yet?
Have you checked your finances yet?
Has he planned his retirement yet?
Has he planned his retirement yet?
Have we finished the renovations yet?
Have we finished the renovations yet?
Have you joined the club yet?
Have you joined the club yet?
Has she prepared the presentation yet?
Has she prepared the presentation yet?
Have they adjusted the prices yet?
Have they adjusted the prices yet?
Have you submitted your essay yet?
Have you submitted your essay yet?
Has he made any changes yet?
Has he made any changes yet? Thanks for watching.